quick tutorial on how to make that photo. So I downloaded Canva. That's the last picture. That was my practice one, y'all. All right, social media, untype. Well, you know what? This ain't working because I need to take y'all back to. All right, so I just hit right here, social media. This came up. I hit the plus sign. I hit image. And now I'm going to scroll because I got a lot of pictures. And if I'm going to do a picture, it's going to be one doggone it that I'm going to keep. All right, welcome to the team. Congratulations. All right, so now you're going to pull it till it fits the square. And now it's in the square. Perfect. Tap it. That's what you want. Hit the plus sign again. Hit image. And let's go ahead and take care of Jennifer. I'm going to slide her into here. Slide it out. And as you can see, she's going over. But I'm going to get her where I need it to be. And then I am going to tap on her. And now she went to the back. Now I can slide her. So I'm going to cut off some of her hair. Hit my check mark. Oh, I ain't get her all the way in, y'all. And now she's in the square. I tap it. I hit the upload. Are you talking to me? Oh, I'm sorry. You hit the upload. I hit my pictures. $5.
That record set?
Yes, ma'am.
The necklace and the earrings?
The necklace and the earrings. I know. Isn't it amazing? Everything outside of the glass case is $5. All of the earrings that's in the center of the board comes with the necklace. They're all nickel and lead free.
This is $5.
Yes, ma'am. Now, if you want to give me more for it, you can.
That's